This is code.org. Create events to make your pet move on command. If you don't have an awesome pet like I do, you might want to go back and check level 2 out. Start by using wall up pressed along with move missing block pixels north. To make your pet move north, wall the up arrow is pressed. Repeat the above for the 3 directions, south, west, and east, and the arrow keys down, left, and right. Okay, so we're going to look for while. Yep. Here's our, just like that, that's an event. So on the event, while the up arrow is pressed, click. And what do I want to do? I want to do a behavior, right? I want the cow to behave in a certain way, and that behavior is to move. Oh, maybe not. Action, just kidding. I want the cow to have an action, and that action is to move, not the cat. There's no cat. I have a cow. 5 pixels. Did they tell us how much? Nope, so we're going to say 5. Okay, and I'm going to hit up on my keyboard, or you could hit up right here. Cool. All right, so up works. Now let's do the others. So same idea here. Let's go to events. And what event do we want? While a key is pressed. So while the... I guess I have to find it. They're hiding from me. Here we are. While down is... I want the action, not a turn. And so if I'm holding down, I want to go south. And I want to change this to cow. Moo. Okay. And then we need 2 more of these for left and right. So let's try to pull this off. Oh. At the same time, wall. And so the computer is looking for an action. And the second, when I hit run, it makes sure my sprite's on the screen at the location 200, 200. If you notice, my mouse right now is at 200, 198. So yeah, the cow's roughly at 200, 200. And then it waits. And if this event happens, and they call it event because wall up press, so if I press up, right, that's an event, that's an occurrence, then the computer does what? Well, it moves the cow 5 pixels north. Okay, now let's do left and right. And then action, move, and then action, move, and cow, and left. So left would be west, and right would be east. And let's give it a shot. I'll use these. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Have a moving pet, which is an awesome looking cow. Sweet. I hope you do too. Let's keep going.